In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use our Overlay Highlight tool. First, go to the spot on the timeline where you want your highlight to appear. Click Tools, select Overlay, and then click Highlight. Drag and resize the overlay to position it over the part of the recording you want to highlight. You can also fine-tune the position by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and then using the arrow keys to nudge the highlight around the video. You can choose to magnify the highlighted area using the Add Zoom button. Drag the corners to expand the highlighted section, and then drag to reposition if necessary. To remove the zoom so you can readjust the highlighted area, just click Remove Zoom. Click Style to set the style properties for your highlight. You can choose the color of the non-highlighted area, adjust the opacity of the non-highlighted area, or choose to apply a blur to it. You can also choose the shape of your highlight and add a shadow. By default, the overlay will have a fade in and fade out transition. You can remove these transitions by clicking these buttons. Choose the section of the video over which your overlay will appear by dragging these bars over the timeline. Preview the overlay by clicking this Preview button. Once you are ready to apply the highlight, click OK or press the Enter key. After the overlay outline is added to your video, a colored span will be displayed on your timeline to indicate the placement of the overlay. Edit the overlay at any time by clicking this span and then clicking this icon. Remove the overlay by clicking the trash icon. For information about how to animate an overlay, check out our Animate Overlays tutorial. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.